61A, lecture number 15, announcements. The CATS project is due today, hog composition revisions are also due today, and homework 4 is released. It's due next Thursday. It includes some homework problems as well as a mid-semester survey. I'd really appreciate it if you fill this out. That gives us some useful information about how to improve the course throughout the semester. And this offering is unique because we have some students who are not on campus. We have lots of students who are on campus. But even the ones who are here seem to be using online resources more than ever before, especially online office hours. So we need your feedback. Please fill that out. Today's lecture is brand new this semester. We decided that we needed an example of how you would use trees in order to do something interesting. So that's all we're going to do today. We're not going to quiz you or test you later on the particular details of this implementation, but I do think that the examples here are quite instructive. So you won't see a lot of new material today, but you'll learn how to do new things with what you already know about trees, data abstraction, mutation, and especially recursion. Okay, here we go.